Political veteran Viktor Orban took the oath of office for the fifth time as Prime Minister in the Hungarian parliament on Monday. In his speech, Orban warned that difficult times lay ahead, noting the decade began with the COVID-19 pandemic and continued with the Russia-Ukraine conflict.
A háború és a válaszként adott európai szankciós politika energiaválságot idézett elő. Az energiaválság és az amerikai kamatemelések együtt elhozták a magas infláció korszakát. Mindez együtt el fogja hozni a recesszió, a gazdasági visszaesés időszakát.
The Hungarian leader spoke out against the sanctions policy of the European Union, saying that he had never before seen sanctions reach their goal. Orban's party alliance received 54% of the votes in the parliamentary elections of April 3, a feat that gave him 135 seats of the 199 in the parliament.